What's that I spy? How about some fruit? Now these are nice, beautiful, plump grapefruit. You may be asking yourself, Harry, how do you get fruit that grows so good in these little clumps? Well, I would like to know that from Harry too, because that's the only fruit on this tree. Today we're going to be talking about fruit trees and how they work in the desert. Now, this fruit tree, as you may see, doesn't look the healthiest, and that's probably because I have it planted in a pot and I don't know what I'm doing. Now, how does fruit trees work in the desert? Let's take a closer look. This particular fruit tree is grafted. That means that they took part of one tree, a grapefruit tree, and combined it with another tree, one that doesn't take near as much water or nutrients in order to flourish. Now, I thought that was true, but I'm not sure. Here's a blood orange tree that's also been grafted. However, even though this foliage looks really nice and green, I had to pare back quite a bit of the tree because of dead limbs last year. Now, the little bit that's left sure does look good. Oh, here's another grafted tree that I have in my yard. This one is a lime tree, as you can tell. Now this one is doing okay, not bad. I've gotten more fruit off of it this year than I have in the past. And that could be because of the grafting of the root. Wasn't quite a desert tree. Now, they told me that it would be more drought resistant. However, this one apparently likes to have more of a marshy swamp type of climate to live in for its root system. Next, we come to our lime tree. Our lime tree didn't fare so well. However, what you can see is from the grafted plant, the lime portion died. However, the desert portion was able to grow and flourish and produce these beautiful spikes. Isn't that wonderful? So in summary, when you're planting trees in the desert, make sure that, one, if you're putting them in plots, that they get enough water, and sometimes way too much water. Also make sure you're nourishing them with some kind of food that you can get at a market, or maybe you have your own food you can feed it, however that works for you. But it is harder to grow a tree in a pot than it is from just planting it into the ground.